Are you searching for a genuine land in the city of Lagos? I mean the main Lagos, built up environment, and it has been difficult for you. Search no more. I bring to you the best land deal in Lagos Mainland. That is PG Estate. That is where I am today. PG Estate is located inside Okurube, Abaranje, Alimosho, the biggest local government in Lagos State. Can you imagine tapping into the biggest local government in Lagos State, being Alimosho? And this estate is going to be a serene environment designed for residential purposes. And why should we invest here? Centrally located in Lagos, we have accessibility to whether you are going to Ojo. So this place is, a location that connects you to different locations in Lagos. You can easily access Ikotun, Igando. You can easily connect to Ijegun, and to Oshodi and LASU. That is why it is the perfect location if you want to invest in Lagos Mainland. And it has a C of O. It's a genuine land that the C of O and the registered survey, you can verify it. And that is one reason you have to invest. When you're investing in PG Estate, you're investing in peace of mind. You're investing in a location purely made residential. And there is a road by the side being done by the Lagos State government, and we are believing it's going to connect to places like Igando and by extension, Festac. So that is to tell you that this is a land that can give you 100% or 150% return on investment sooner or later. And the more you wait, the more the value is going to appreciate. So for 500 square meter of land goes for 20 million instant payment, and there's room for payment plan. So for more details on how to secure a plot here or for inspection, call the number on your screen. My name remains Onyodun Madalente, your reliable real estate partner. Thank you and see you in